So we were down by the Ossining wastewater treatment facility and down in the park. But there are people using the water. You see someone using the water down there fishing, and it doesn't appear that there's any signage notifying the public that they shouldn't be using the river. So there's definitely a lack of notification going on here. So we have people fishing down here. I'm gonna go ask them if they were told about the situation. Ossining police boat coming in, but rescue boat, but no one has told these people. There are people using the river, people fishing on the docks, and no one's told them. So.
Everybody told us no.
Yep.
And that's an important thing.
Notification.
Is the leak coming out of the kill brook?
Yep.
Figured that.
Yep. So you see the gulls are grouped over there. I don't know if you can exactly see it, but yep. So the kill brook is flowing with this discharge. So you can see the discharge, that turbid water. You can see above the pipe, it's darker, and then below the pipe, where the tree has fallen on the pipe, you can see that the water is turbid, sewage running down the creek and then eventually into the river.